Hello guys, in this video I would like to talk about human circulatory system. The human body contains millions of cells that are not in direct contact with the external environment. Because of this, human need a circulatory system. A circulatory system in your body is a basically system of transportation. It transports nutrients, water, and oxygen to your billions of body cells and carries away wastes such as carbon dioxide that body cell produces. It is an amazing highway that travels through your entire body, connecting all your body cells. Your heart, blood, and blood vessels make up your transport system or the circulatory system. The heart is a group of muscles which is roughly the size of your fist. It is situated slightly to the left of the center of your chest. Heart is covered from outside through a protective fluid-filled sac called pericardium that covers the heart and large blood vessels attached to the heart. The heart has four chambers. The two top chambers are the right atrium and the left atrium. The two bottom chambers are the right ventricle and the left ventricle. A wall called septum separates the chambers. Between the atria and ventricle, there are valves that stop the blood from flowing back. The four chambers make the heart work as a double pump. Oxygen rich blood flows from the lungs to the left atrium. It flows into the left ventricles from where it is pumped to different parts of your body. The deoxygenated blood from the body enters the heart through the right atrium. It then flows into the right ventricle from where it pumped to the lungs carried by the pulmonary artery where it is oxygenated again. We can say the inside of the heart is divided into two sections so that the two types of blood, oxygen rich and oxygen poor, are kept apart. The heart can pump blood because it is made of muscles. Muscles tissue work by contracting and relaxing. One complete sequence of contraction and relaxation is called a heartbeat. The blood moves through the circulatory system via small tubes called blood vessels. There are three distinct types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, capillaries. The arteries carry blood away from the heart. They receive blood that is pumped from the heart and transport it to all parts of your body. All arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery, which carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Veins carry blood from the rest of the body back to the heart. All veins transport deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. The arteries and veins are connected by fine thread-like vessels called capillaries. The walls of capillaries are very thin, which allows diffusion of substances across their walls. The primary function of capillaries is the exchange of materials between the blood and tissue cell. Blood is the particular type of body fluid. Its primary function is to supply nutrients and oxygen to all parts of the body. Its four main components are plasma, red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma is the liquid part of blood. It is straw colored, contains 90% of water. 10% of it is dissolved gases, salt, nutrients, enzymes, hormones, waste, and proteins. Red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. They are biconcave, most abundant blood cells. They are made in red bone marrow. The bone marrow is the soft, spongy materials in the center of the bones. It produces 95% of the body's blood cells. RBCs have red colored pigment called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin radially combine with oxygen and carbon dioxide and help in transportation of them. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. They are pale white colored, larger in size, and play important role in immunity. They are responsible for fighting foreign pathogens such as bacteria, virus, fungi that enter your body. Platelets are also called thrombocytes. They are tiny disc-shaped specialized blood cells and play important role in blood clotting and coagulation during cut or wound. If a blood vessel is damaged, the body sends signals to platelets which cause them to travel to injured area. Their primary function is to prevent and stop bleeding. Thank you for watching. Do you want to keep on learning? So stay tuned with me for my upcoming videos. Before you go, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye.